Right, here we are up at Piggy's.
Pig's Love Shack.
Love Shack. Piggy's Love Toys. Right, and I've come up here because I am looking and thinking of buying a bike off of Peggy that he bought for his daughter, but she doesn't, it's too big for her basically. So anyway, this is what I'm looking at buying. Right, this is a MGB ATX adventure motorcycle. Right, so the 125. I was only just pulled it out of the garage. It was only last started about 2 or 3 weeks ago.
No, 2 months.
Oh, 2 months ago, sorry. When we went up there, Raven wanted. And she sounds as sweet as a nut. Right. It's a mini BMW. Anyway, I think that's enough for now, and we're just going to pop on it and turn you back on in a minute. Right, so here we are. Needs a little bit of work doing on swinging arm, bit of rust come through. Oh shit. It is actually, yeah. Oh, little gear indicator. Right, what are you doing? You're going petrol station after you get home now?
You go to the petrol station and then literally straight back.
Yeah, I'm just going to have a quick nuffy around.
When I come back, oh shit, I can't pull that away because you got your garage key.
Yeah, well, if I'm having it now.
If not, take the key off.
I will.
Then you
Well,
can take it straight home and then...
no, because I've got your money on me.
Yeah,
What sort?
do
Do you know, I'm looking for the drive button.
If you take the garage, just take the keys off then, so...
Yeah.
Like I say, if you're having it, just take it home and then just come
Yeah,
back
okay.
later.
Is there enough fuel in it for now?
I don't know.
I'll check it in. I'll check it in a minute.
Runs on fucking fresh air.
Yeah, I'll check it in a bit.
It had a full tank. The day I brought it,
Yeah.
I've been the Raven 3 times.
Oh, there's plenty in
And it's
there.
still full. I've
Yeah.
not put fuel in it since I've not done that. I didn't have to turn.
That's it, son.
Not done.
Right. I'll see you in a minute. Gears! Well, here we go. Bit of a false gear then. Well, same as I say, we'll see. Ride out feels okay. Woo! Skittish in the mud. As I say, I mean, the only, if you want to call it a niggle that I have got at the moment is vibrations, but it's a 125, you know what I mean? I get myself a good decent bit of straight bit of road. Well yeah, we're going to go now, we'll go up this A34 a bit more. In the car. Moving up the bank. At 50 mile an hour coming up that bank with only a top speed of around 60 miles an hour, I don't think that's too bad. This little screen seems to do a fair bit for what it is. It's a good bit of a bank this is. This will give it a bit of a test. My hands are getting a bit cold now. Ooh, ooh. I'll do a bit of a stop in a minute and have just a general look around it. I think we'll stop here on the chevrons. Right, that stands down. So, let's have a general look around at it. Not bad at all. Same as I say, it does need a bit of TLC, a bit of sanding down odd little places like front exhaust, rear exhaust, the pardon me, swinging arm both sides, but she doesn't look too bad. I'm quite impressed. There's a little oil cooler on this as well. I never even knew that. So put a box on the back. Same say that needs all sorting on the swinging arm. I can do that. That's a good sanding down and repaint. That's it, job done. But yeah, she doesn't look bad at all. Anyway, so and when she starts nice. It all seems to work okay. Wants a bit of lube here and there, and a bit of a tidy up. Right, let's get back to piggies. I need a pee. Yeah, it's not bad for a 125. Same as I say, it's been, how many years has it been? It's got to be 35, 40 years since I was on a bike of this calibre. Hello! I'm here! Fucking moron. Ah, that's your hazards, that's your main beam. Okay, so they do work. Right at the wind, baby! It'll probably blow me off. That's something you have to get used to. Now I've got cruise control and ABS and all that malarkey on my other bike. With this you don't get none of that, you get this Euro 5 linked braking. Well, that's it. The deal's done. I own the bike now. And here we are, home again, lickety split.